Hi everybody, Dave Matthews for Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a pressure test on a large heat exchanger, shell and tube type heat exchanger. It's a 2-pass unit, which you can see, here's the head that's been removed, and you'll see there's a baffle in the center with a corresponding gasket. So material travels in through the inlet, down the tube, out the other side. So each tube is actually a U-bend. Now we're putting just a small amount of air into the shell. We've closed the shell up completely by adding a big blank flange on the bottom. You see here the black flange. And we're holding the tube bundle in just using a couple of clamps right now and some wood to prevent that from being damaged. But only with a small amount of air we've already discovered we've got a leak in 2 tubes. Now 2 tubes translates to 4 tubes because one goes in and out. So for instance, this tube is leaking right here. And this is its corresponding tube on the other side. And also, over here, this tube is leaking out to here. So, right now, we just got a small dribble of air in, and we're going to show you how this is working. Now, what's happening, obviously, the original gasket is here. This would need a new gasket. And we put just a little bit, clean the surface and put a little grease on it just to get as best a seal as we can using the 2 clamps. So, what we're going to do is use these small rubber plugs and just plug that in. Now, you can feel the air coming through here. I don't know if you can hear it, too. A little close, Tam, you can hear that? Okay, that's the air coming out. So now what we're going to do, now you can hear the sound actually change. Now we're going to add this plug. Push it in a little bit. Now you hear it stop. Now watch this. So that pressure we're starting to build. Tam, if you come around to the edge where the gasket or the gauge is, we're going to show you we actually record a little bit of pressure. Now we wouldn't be able to further test until we plug these ones that are leaking. Now I'm going to put the final plug in, and you should see a slight rise in the pressure. Are we going to go up a little bit at all? Just a little bit?
A little bit.
Now watch here as this pull it out.
Yep.
Alright, come on back up here, and I wanted you to just be aware of the condition. At this outset, without plugging these tubes mechanically and repressurizing, we wouldn't be able to get to determine if there was any other damage to any of the tubes. However, but just doing this, now right now I'm starting to feel a little bit of air coming out of the gasket. Obviously we could add clamps or reclamp a little more. But you'd get the same effect here. And here we're going to pull the last one out. Watch you. So any pressure that's been built. So there's a little back pressure on the remaining tubes. We think at this point the remaining tubes are all good. Of course, you'd have to, like I said, go a little bit further to test further. So we're going to contact you about this, and this is typical of what we do with a lot of heat exchangers and pressure vessels, jackets as well. Pressure testing to make sure there's no leaks. So thanks for joining us for this video today, and we look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.